Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade fidgets. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and like this video, so let's get started. The fidget that I'm going to be showing you how to make is a tangled. What you need is a pipe cleaner and some beads. Do a little knot at the end of the pipe cleaner, and then you want to put all the beads on. Okay, so now we want to tie a knot at the end again. And then there you go, you got your own tangled. Okay, so next we're going to be making a homemade Orbeez stress ball. As Orbeez and a clear balloon and a white balloon. The top of a water bottle to get the Orbeez into the balloon. You want to get a clear balloon and the Orbeez, and then what you want to do is put it in by the top of a water bottle lid. Okay, so you put it on like this, and then you want to get the Orbeez into the balloon. Then get the balloon off the water bottle, and then you want to tie it. Sure you didn't have any air in it, and then there you go, you got the Orbeez stress ball, but it's not done yet. Cut off this piece of the balloon. And then you want to put this balloon into this. And then here you go, here's your own Orbeez stress ball. I love the colors to it. That I'm going to be showing you is how to make a slider. Here's the stuff that you'll be needing. You'll need a Ziploc bag and some scissors. It's super simple. And you'll need to cut off the top of this Ziploc bag. You can make a big one or a small one. And then you should have this. And then you want to take apart the Ziploc bag like this, and then cut off these like this. And then do it to the other side. And then you want to put them together like this. And then there you go, you got your own slider. You can make a small one or a big one. I think I'm going to cut this one in half. And then I'm going to cut off the excess off this Ziploc bag. Next we're going to make a DIY poppet. A hot glue gun and 2 water bottles, or you can just plug it in. You want to cut off the top of the water bottle. Got the first one down. Second one. Okay, so I cut both the lids off. So now I'm going to cut a little piece of the water bottle to make the poppet part. So I'm cutting the little piece off. It should be like a poppet, like this. And you want to hot glue the top of the lid, like this. And then you want to put the lid part on top of it like this, and let it hold down. And then do the same on the other one. Okay, so they're dry, so now I'm going to cut off the excess of them. And then it should be the same size as the lid. And then do it to the other one. And then you should have like this pop thing. And then you want to glue it together like this. And then if it's not on good, make sure you get the sides like this. And there you go, you got your homemade poppet. And this one's like a button one. Next, we are going to make a homemade marble and mesh. What you'll be needing is fabric, a marble, and a hot glue gun. Okay, so first you want to glue on the sides. And then stick it together like this. And then repeat it on the other side. After you did it on the other side, you want to put the marble in like this. And then you want to hot glue it right here. And there you go, you got your homemade marble and mesh. Bye, I hope you enjoyed my video.